Table module function introduction. Add prefix/suffix to text. Add prefix and suffix. This command is used to add prefixes and suffixes to the text and numbers in the table. Click the Add Prefix and Suffix function. Select Objects. Select the following operations. Select the following operations. Enter the character to add. Press Enter to complete. Text prefix and suffix addition completed. Add prefix. This command is used to add a prefix to the text within a table. Click the Add Prefix function. Select the text object to add prefix. Enter the string content to add. The prefix will be automatically added to the front of the text. Text prefix application completed. Add suffix. This command is used to add a suffix to the text within a table. Click the Add Suffix function. Select the text object to add suffix. Enter the string content to add. The suffix will be automatically added to the end of the text. Text suffix addition completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.